Hi everyone! Today I'll show you T-34, main Soviet tank during Second World War. At the beginning of the war, T-34 was a really good tank. It has good 500 horsepower diesel engine, 76mm main gun, 4 members of crew and 45mm armor everywhere, front, side, back, everywhere. And main advantage of this armor, it has good angles. Thanks all of that, T-34 became a big surprise for German army. Else it was cheap and easy to manufacture. It was produced in 7 factories. Soviet Union produced more than 60,000 of these tanks. In Soviet Union this tank was in use until 1993 and now it's still in service in some African, Asia and Middle East countries. Two seats was in frontal part of the hull, driver's seat on the left side and radio operator seat at the right side. Radio equipment was too complicated in those time, that's why was necessary an additional crew member. Also, radio operator has its own 7.62mm machine gun and shoot from it. And also sometimes he help a driver to switch the gears. Yeah, it's not so easy to ride on the old tanks. Okay, I made a fuel tanks and armor rack with the shells, and now start to make a turret. Turret has 2 members of crew, commander, and he was a gunner too, and a loader. In early models of turrets, free space was not enough, and it's really decreased efficiency of the crew in a tank. And it was the reason why people higher than 175 centimeters didn't serve as a crew members in tank squads. So, if you're a big and strong fella, you never became a tank trooper in Soviet army. Sorry. Main 76mm gun installed, shells is placed inside, coaxial machine gun installed, so my tank is almost ready for battle. T-34 most produced tank of Second World War, and it became a real symbol of the victory in Soviet Union. Hope you enjoyed my model and my video. model is done. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, your likes and comments really help to the channel, and next model will be soon. See you!